Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to briefly demonstrate how to set up conditions for buyback devices within the condition settings page. Now, the importance of setting up conditions for buyback devices is that if you're pricing your devices manually, you're going to need to have some basic conditions set up for them. If you're using Price Sync, this is done for you. It just copies the conditions and terms from the wholesaler itself. But if you plan on pricing your stuff manually, you're going to have to go to this page and set up some basic conditions. So to get started, navigate to this page. There'll be a link to this page within the help article. And then once you're here, we're going to click on Add Condition. Now it's important that you've already enabled the buyback devices that you wish to set conditions for. So we're going to assume you've already done that. And for this category, we are going to be setting conditions for wearables, Apple Watches, Samsung Watches, Fitbits, anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a category name. We're going to call it Smart Watches, and then we're going to search for devices that fit that criteria. And all of those buyback devices, models, and categories will have these same conditions that I'm about to make. So we're going to use Apple Watch. We will do Samsung Gear, and then we'll do Samsung Watch. Those are great. This will be perfect for the demonstration. So we're going to set our first condition. We're going to set this condition to be new in box. Now the title of this condition is going to be effectively saying, in order to meet this condition, your device must meet the following criteria. So in this case, we're going to go, your device must meet all of the following criteria. And spell. All right, so terms. Device must be sealed in original packaging. So right now we're just adding all the terms for what we want the new in box condition to be required. So new in packaging, never opened or used, not, device must not be financed or reported lost / stolen. All right, these should be some pretty good conditions here. So we're gonna click Save. New in box conditions have been created. You can always edit them here, or you can just go ahead and just delete it if you just messed up and you want to redo it all. So the next condition we'll do is mint condition. The title we're going to set is the device must meet all criteria. Terms: no heavy wear and tear. Device must be fully functional, etc., etc. So we're going to do that. I'm going to save that one. We'll do normal condition. And you can name these whatever you want, right? It doesn't have to be specifically what I'm putting in here. The title for this, if any of the following are met, this device is considered normal condition. So we can put, for example, if any of the following criteria are met, this device will be considered normal condition. We can put scratches on glass. And then we could put, for example, missing original charger, missing original bands. All right. And then you can do broken, which means it's not functional. Broken. Title, if any of the following criteria are met, this device will be considered broken. So for this case, device is not fully functional, broken LCD or digitizer / glass. Monitor damage is detected. And then we'll put, you know what, that should be sufficient. This is just an example. Each company's gonna have a little bit different criterion for each condition. And there's no real hard maximum or minimum limit for conditions. But now that I'm done with this, all of my conditions have been set for these set devices I have up here. So when I go back to the pricing editor, you'll be able to see these conditions for those devices. So for example, Apple Watch. You'll see new in box, mint condition, normal condition, and broken, with all of the same criterion and terms that I had before. Now, you can jump ahead to the pricing editor article and start pricing your devices manually. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please feel free to reach out to us through the intercom bubble on the bottom right-hand side of the page and send us a message. You can always report feedback with the feedback button as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you found this article helpful. Goodbye.